from Sean's model builds, and I guess there will be a final video, episode 14 of the Reliant after all, because I found that I had a spare black base into which the shorter Reliant stand could fit from over here. Now, this is the big base painting stand, that's the small base painting stand. And so you're going to have to get out the Reliant box and find the decals for the base. Found them. They're right there, and there are 2 of them. So that will finish up the video. So this will be a preview of episode 14 of the Reliant build, which I will release probably next Friday. And we'll see you then. Bye-bye. I'll try to release the preview on Wednesday.